say, man, $16. Better tap in for it's goddamn too late. For real, nah, for real. You do what I'm goddamn saying, boy. Today, I'm shooting over to Infiniti. I'm gonna be going ahead and installing the heat exchanger into my car, the AMS race heat exchanger. I'm gonna go ahead and let Infiniti do it. That way I don't ever run into no problems. They try to come to me saying something happened and could void my warranty somehow. So I'm gonna let them do it and just pay that cost. You dig what I'm saying, man? So here shortly, we'll go ahead and have this installed, and then I'll be running map 3 and 5 on my JB4 from now on. So you better tap in for it's goddamn too late. For real, nah, for real. You dig what I'm goddamn saying, boy. Back, man. You know what I'm saying? The heat exchanger, it is installed. The race heat exchanger. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I am about to be running map 3, 5, and my custom map 6 from now on. So right now, all I'm waiting for is my catback exhaust motor dying, and then whatever else I can maybe purchase for the vehicle that, you know, maybe come by. But other than that, man, $16, better keep tapping in for it's goddamn too late, boy. You can see it in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the real deal Holyfield. Race AMS heat exchanger. You know what I'm saying? Probably one of the first ones with this motherfucker on there. You dig what I'm goddamn saying, boy? Ain't no cap in my goddamn game. For real, nah, for real. Yes, sir, man. That heat exchanger is on there. The real deal Holyfield AMS race heat exchanger, man. Shit is going on. We going all the way up. For real, for real. Shit stuck there too. You best believe that. You know what I'm saying? You know, got the other slider right here. Yes, sir. We up here, man. The AMS race heat exchanger is installed. It looks pretty cool. You can see it a little bit through there. We out here, man. stay following. I went ahead, I did a lot of different runs, like consecutive runs and back to back to back. And I feel like the oil temperature, the water temperature, all the temperatures kind of stayed the same. Nothing really like went up drastic at all. So it seems like the car is cooling pretty great. And honestly, man, like I think I got a good part with AMS. And so now I'm working on next is getting the sway bars for the Q50 and a few other more little cosmetic little mods I'm gonna do to the car. So you better keep tapping in for it's goddamn too late. For real, now, for real. You dead on goddamn sand, boy. Damn, this shit the Mustang truck. And then with the goddamn Benz over there. But nah, this some new shit. This some new shit right here. The Mustang truck, boy. Damn, I'm trying to see that front end real quick, but the this dumbass Altima in front of me. That shit look a Mustang truck. You believe this shit? I ain't know they was doing. I wonder how fast this shit go for real. It probably got the 10 speed in it. But this shit probably fast as hell. Look at the AMG going crazy. Getting up out of there. Doing what AMG owners do. I'm gonna try to swing this way. Catch some of this front of this car. This shit looks slick. Okay. Front end kind of shitty, I ain't gonna lie to you. New Mustang truck. Damn. Yeah, I do this shit, man. $100 better tap in for the goddamn too late. For real, now, for real.